In this video, we'll show you how to program the digital inputs in the greenBOX system. Start by navigating to System Settings, then scroll down to External Signals. This is where you can configure cleaning mode, bypass mode, security input, winter mode, and reset error. Let's begin by setting up cleaning mode. Click the plus button to bring up the list of available input options. For this demo, we're configuring the left interface board on a greenBOX Max, the model that comes equipped with two interface boards. We'll assign digital input 1 to trigger cleaning mode. By default, this means that when digital input 1 is active, it will start the cleaning operation. You can fine-tune this in the Signal Configuration tab. For example, we'll select Rising Edge Pulse, which triggers the action when the button is pressed. Then we'll set the pulse duration to 600 seconds, or 10 minutes. This means that when you trigger digital input 1, it will run the cleaning mode function for 10 minutes. Once configured, look for the valid label to confirm it's set up correctly. Now, let's move on to bypass mode. Bypass mode means all gates open and the fan runs at bypass speed, which typically means full speed. Now, we'll select interface board left once more, and for this one, we'll map it to digital input 2. We won't add a timer here. That means flipping the connected switch will instantly activate bypass mode. Once set, you'll see the valid label again. Next is the security input. This is where you link external safety systems like spark detectors, fire alarms, or emergency shutoff triggers. Let's assign digital input 3 for this one, with no timer, just a direct trigger. If I close this out, the valid label confirms everything's working. Now, let's go over a more advanced example, winter mode. Winter mode keeps the fan running at low speed in freezing conditions to prevent filter bags from freezing up. To do this, we need to connect it to a temperature sensor. In this example, we're using the HK pressure transmitter, which comes with two temperature sensors. We'll start with the ambient air temperature sensor. Set the trigger to activate when the temperature drops below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and add a 2-degree hysteresis. This prevents the fan from turning on and off too frequently as temperatures fluctuate. Now let's add the second sensor as a backup trigger. We'll configure it the same way, this time with a 3-degree hysteresis. In the Signal Configuration tab, make sure the logic is set to OR. That way, if either sensor detects freezing temperatures, winter mode will activate. Finally, let's set up reset error. This feature was requested by a customer who cleans their filter bags manually during lunch breaks. That process requires shutting off the fan's VFD power supply. When the greenBOX system loses communication with the VFD, it triggers a system error to stop everything for safety. Once cleaning is done, the error needs to be cleared before restarting. While you can reset it from the greenBOX directly, in this case, the unit was too far from the VFD. So, they installed a reset error button right next to the VFD to save time. For our demo, we'll map this to the last digital input 4 on the left interface board. And that's it. All inputs are now properly configured, giving you more control and insight into your ventilation system.